I tested multiple AI tools to see which ones actually make money online in the USA, and one of them surprised me by generating results within minutes. Most people are using AI completely wrong. That's why they never make any money. But today, I'm going to show you the exact method that actually works. A few months ago, I was trying to find a way to earn money online without any special skills. I tried different things, but nothing worked. Then, I discovered AI tools, and everything changed. The first tool is ChatGPT, but not the way you think. Instead of asking random questions, you can use it to create high-quality content for businesses. Go to freelancing platforms and offer services like blog writing, product descriptions, or email copywriting. Businesses in the USA pay a lot for this. Now, the second tool is Canva. This is where things get interesting. You can create simple designs like social media posts, thumbnails, or ads using ready-made templates. Then, sell these designs as a service or even as digital products. But wait, the third tool is where things get serious. This tool is Pictory. It allows you to convert text into full videos automatically. You can create YouTube videos, faceless content, or even marketing videos for clients. This is one of the easiest ways to start without showing your face. And here's the best part. You can combine all three tools together. Use ChatGPT to generate scripts, Canva for thumbnails, and Pictory to create videos. This creates a complete system to earn money online. Most beginners overcomplicate things, but the truth is, simple systems make the most money. If you stay consistent with this method, you can start building an income stream step by step. If you want more videos like this, make sure to subscribe. I'm sharing real ways to make money using AI, and watch the next video where I show how beginners are making money every week using just one AI tool.